I'll show you the secret behind this incredible dessert. Few know how to do it like this. Let's start by preparing 3 kiwis. First, place them in a large bowl. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and rub well. Now, add enough water to cover them all. And rub again. After doing that, dry all the kiwis well. Then, stick them all on a barbecue stick, just like I'm doing here. Now transfer to a 1-liter plastic bottle with the top cut off and set aside. Once you've done that, in a small bowl, add 40 grams of unflavored gelatin, half a cup of water at room temperature, and mix very well. Then microwave it at full power for 30 seconds. Now mix until combined and set aside. Then, in a medium bowl, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 milliliters of milk, and mix until combined. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. When that happens, add the gelatin we prepared earlier, and mix until incorporated. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. This is the right mix. Once you've done that, pour all this cream into the bottle with the kiwis. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 3 hours. After this time is passed, the dessert will be nice and firm. Remove the stick, unmold the dessert, and cut it into slices. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.